Whenever we used to scout for meaningful content on the internet, we used to find ourselves stuck with clickbaity blogs written by companies who were doing SEO, or a lot of content coming from no trusted sources. There was no face behind them. So we understood for a matter of fact that lifestyle discovery is a huge problem in India. And this is where our journey at Trell started to solve this problem by establishing a lot of trusted sources of information, content, and knowledge who can come in front of camera, do storytelling about all of these experiences, and help people in making better decisions. Raising your first check is one of the biggest challenges in a journey of the entrepreneur. This was time of 2017 when we were kind of raising our angel round. We got connected to Let's Venture through our common friends who happened to work at Let's Venture and were kind of our friends in the institute. Let's Venture essentially unlocked a lot of network, which allowed us to connect to a lot of angel investors, being able to pitch them directly about what we are doing. And it just eased up a lot of effort that the first time entrepreneur has to spend in terms of networking, building relationship, or getting introduction to some of the investors that they would want to onboard, on their journey for the venture. So I think, Let's Venture brings down the entry barrier to connecting with right people for your first check. We had some incredible partnership and fundraise happening on a consistent basis along with them. Even in our recent round, we collaborated with Let's Venture to raise a certain proportion of our funding round. For the late stage companies, there are a lot of investment bankers who help them in putting together various resources and be able to connect with the right set of investors to raise funds. I think Let's Venture helps you in unlocking the same potential at very early stages of a startup. I believe people at Let's Venture really unlock all of this knowledge about how you should go about raising funds, about who are the right set of people whom you should connect with, and how do you kind of have a conversation with them so as you could kind of partner with them in the journey ahead. If I have to go back and kind of do the whole process again, I'll really focus on these three things really strong, right? So going after a very big market, having a very clear direction of how we are going to go about it, and connecting to right set of early believers, right, who believe in the vision. Those people can unlock so many doors for you, right, while you kind of travel this journey of entrepreneurship and company building. Right now, we are touching somewhere around 30 million monthly active users, have recently crossed the scale of Pinterest and Twitter in terms of active users on mobile, and are looking forward to scale this even further to enter into the leagues of the big boys that everybody is aware of today. And I think for us, the vision is to empower the entire user base or empower Indians to have a better lifestyle. And the way we want to kind of approach this is by setting up right set of trusted nodes of information and content who would love to share their experiences and learnings with them, which would translate eventually into a business which allows them to discover products and also buy it from the platform.